gonna get you out of here.
Bye. You didn't even say thank you.
What is that?
I think it's a transponder.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Roy.
Better for time check. Time go.
Course plotted for Central City 2016. Here's the VFX with the Dominators.
Then why don't you call them off? We know you sent them packing once before, back in 1951.
That was just a reconnaissance mission.
What brought them back?
You did, Mr. Allen.
He knows who you are.
You threatened the entire universe when you used your powers to upset the normal course of time.
Talking about Flashpoint? How do you even know about
They told us.
I made a mistake. Okay, I'm not gonna let it happen again.
For the past 60 years, we have enjoyed a truce with your so-called dominators. You broke the truce.
What do they want?
I negotiated a deal with them. If Mr. Allen surrenders himself, they will leave us in peace. You really want to save the world? Here's your chance.
I can't see. Why can't I see?
At least we're not throwing up.
What's he done?
I don't know. Either our food's ready or this guy's trying to call it.